Hey YouTube, it's me again. Another unboxing. Surprise! This time I am unboxing Dr Martens. Of course I had to go with the original ones. Real leathers, sorry vegans. So let's see, I also ordered some of the Wonder Balm because I've had docs a long time ago. And I know that stuff really helps keep the levels up and going. The box. And there's a box in a box. Come in a really nice box. I haven't had any docs for a long time. Let's see. So right when I open it, looks like I've got a little Made in England certificate. And yep, got a little, it's like a little lookbook. Got some pictures, some words, some stuff. And then I've got another Dr Martens card with a bunch of, I don't know, Chinese and stuff. I can't read it. Alright. I'm ready. So, I've got, oh my god, they're so soft. I'm pretty sure these would be Oxblood. Oxblood 8 Eyelet boot. They're awesome. Brand freaking new. Need to break them in. Probably gonna hurt my feet at first, but oh my goodness. I got mine in a US 5 because I have child's feet. I've had docs before. They kind of stretch out over time. They're something you need to break in anyways. They're not meant to be super comfortable at first. They're meant to be broken in. I got this Wonder Balm, which I really like. I use it on any of my leather stuff. Like I have some Corral cowboy boots. I'm probably gonna juice up with some of this. And they give you a, oh look, they separated it 10 years later and they have come a long way. So now they separate it, give you a little tin for your tin, and you just kind of take this in there and then you just kind of wipe it all over that, and it's going to give some nice sheen, shine, protection, longevity, pretty much just all the awesomeness. So they just kind of stuck that in my box. I didn't get any extra boxes, so thanks Dr Martens. Way to think of the environment other than your leather. If you want to complain, this is not the place. It's got the cushioned sole, oil, fat, acid, and alkaline resistance, the inventor of the genuine air cushioned sole, which creates an entirely new walking comfort. Many useful properties make this original air cushioned sole a most pleasant experience for the much abused foot. Poor feet. Anti-slip grip. Gotta love that. Got the original docs going. They're insulated. Nice and warm for the winter, but cool in the summer. They're light. Yes, they are light. They're not very heavy, so it's not gonna weigh me down, feel uncomfortable. Very excited for unboxing. See. Alright, well, thanks for stopping by for my unboxing of random stuff that I like to buy on the internet. I didn't say this last time, so if you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. And if you like me, or you want to see more of my stuff, hit that subscribe button. We could be friends. I'm pretty nice. I try. Peace.